Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you the best screen recorder for your Windows and Linux computer. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So first of all, you need to open any web browser and you need to go to this website. I'll be providing this website link too in the video descriptions, so you can click there and visit to this website. Once you log into this website, you can see its web page, and here what you need to do is you need to click on the download. Just click on download, and if you're using a Windows computer, then here is a download options to download. So the top first one is the latest version one, so you click on this software and you can download this software. As I've already downloaded and installed it, so I'm not going to do it again. And if you're a Linux user, then they will provide you the download steps how you can download this, or you can go to the snapcrop.io, which I'll be posting too in the video description. So if you're a Linux user, then you can click on that website link and visit to that website and how to install it in your Linux. So after installing, what you need to do, you open the application. So on opening the applications for the first time, you can see its user interface. So it's quite minimal, and you can see here the screen. You want to record the full screen, so you can see your full screen. You want to record the area, then you just select the area. If you want magnifications, you can zoom or resize. If you want a countdown, then you can do a countdown like 1 2 3. And now here second icon you can see is about webcam. You can enable the webcam when you are recording the screen too, and you can connect some third-party electronic devices, and here about these applications. And the right top bar you can see here the audio, so you can select this. If you have different audio outputs, then you can select these options, and if you want a different formats, video formats, you can select here, and depending upon your video codecs and audio codecs, whatever you want, you can choose during your screen recording. You can go for the settings to do some customizations. Here is a countdown, and here is what is supported. So this is all about the user interface. So what you need to do to record is just click on the start. Now you can see stop pause is being turned on. Now just minimize this and just start recording whatever you are doing here right now. So just play around with your computer and start recording whatever you want to record right now. So try opening any applications and whatever you're doing, try to do, and we'll just check out whether it's recording or not. Now once you're done, just open and click on stop. Now you can go to the folder or you can directly play it. So we'll move to the folder and we'll just see. So finally you can see it's very simple to record screen using this free of cost screen recorder. So in my opinion, you should definitely check this screen recorder, and remember this screen recorder is totally free of cost, so you don't need to pay anything, or there is no premium versions to unlock anything. So in my opinion, you should definitely try this, and the good thing is that it's available for both Windows and Linux computers. So download it today from the website link given below in the video descriptions and try it out by yourself. And if you face any difficulty using this software, feel free to leave your comments below. I will try my best to help and guide you with your problems. So if you find this video information useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.